Are you ready to take your strength training to the next level? In this video, we'll explore the many forms of strength training and show you how to create a routine that works for you and your fitness goals. From traditional weightlifting to unconventional methods, let's discover the different types of strength training together. First, let's talk about the classic, traditional weightlifting. It's the one that comes to mind when most people think of strength training. It involves the use of dumbbells, barbells, and weight machines to provide resistance. It's a great way to build muscle mass, increase strength and improve overall body composition. But traditional weightlifting isn't the only option. Bodyweight exercises are a great alternative. These types of exercises use the weight of your own body to provide resistance. Examples include push-ups, squats, and pull-ups. Bodyweight exercises are a great option for those who prefer to work out at home or are new to strength training. Resistance band training is another popular option. These bands provide resistance through elastic tension, allowing for a full range of motion and targeting smaller muscle groups. They are also portable and can be used anywhere, making them a great option for those who travel or have limited space. Kettlebell training is another strength training option that is gaining popularity. Kettlebells are cast iron weights that are shaped like a ball with a handle. They are great for building strength and endurance, and can be used to perform a variety of exercises such as swings, deadlifts and squats. Lastly, let's talk about powerlifting. Powerlifting is a strength sport that consists of three main lifts: the squat, the bench press, and the deadlift. Powerlifting is great for those looking to increase their overall strength and power, and also for those who wish to compete in powerlifting competitions. So, as you can see, there are many forms of strength training available to you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gym goer, there's a type of strength training that will work for you. The key is to find what you enjoy and what works for your fitness goals. Now let's dive into some tips on creating a strength training routine that works for you. The first step is to identify your fitness goals. Are you looking to build muscle mass, increase endurance, improve power, or overall fitness? Once you have identified your goals, you can select the type of strength training that aligns with those goals. It's also important to consult with a fitness professional or a personal trainer to create a personalized routine that suits your fitness level and experience. This can help you to prevent injury and work efficiently towards your goals. Another important tip is to start slow and work your way up. It's easy to get carried away and want to lift heavy weights from the get-go, but this can lead to injury and burnout. Start with a weight that is appropriate for your current fitness level and gradually increase as you get stronger. Another key to a successful strength training routine is consistency. It's important to stick to a regular routine and avoid skipping workouts. It's also important to schedule rest and recovery days, giving your muscles time to heal and grow. Lastly, don't be afraid to mix things up and try new exercises. This can help to prevent boredom and keep your muscles challenged. Incorporating different types of strength training, such as bodyweight exercises, resistance band training, and kettlebell training, can help to keep your routine interesting and effective. That's it for our video on the different types of strength training and tips for creating a routine that works for you. Remember to identify your fitness goals, consult with a fitness professional, start slow, be consistent, schedule rest and recovery days, and mix things up to keep your routine interesting and effective. With these tips in mind, you'll be on your way to achieving your strength training goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips, and remember to keep working towards your goals. Remember, strength training is not just about bulking up, it's about unlocking the true potential of your body. So, are you ready to take your strength training to the next level? Let's do this.